Hi everyone, we're in Girona, one of the most beautiful cities in Catalonia, and we're going to tour the city, see what we can find here and what you can visit. It's a really nice place and I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I will. Girona is one of those hidden gems in the northeastern Spain that captivates travelers from the very first moment. Nestled between the Mediterranean Sea and the Pyrenees Mountains, this Catalan city enjoys a pleasant climate for much of the year. Its size makes it perfect to explore at a leisurely pace, allowing you to savor every corner without rushing, while its rich history and culture reveal themselves at every step. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the imposing Girona Cathedral, which dominates the skyline from the top of a majestic staircase. After climbing its 90 steps, visitors are rewarded with a temple that embodies 5 centuries of history. This remarkable building is renowned for its single nave, the second largest in the world, surpassed only by that of St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican. Its appearance blends a Romanesque foundation, a Gothic structure, and a Baroque facade. From the Romanesque period, the Charlemagne Tower, the cloister, and the sacristy have been preserved. The cloister, standing out for its rich sculptural decoration, considered one of the most important in Catalonia. Between the 14th and the 18th centuries, the church dedicated to Saint Mary was constructed, while the facade began in 1606, was not completed until the 20th century, resulting in a fascinating blend of Baroque and classical styles. Next to the cathedral lies its treasury, home to artistic masterpieces such as the Tapestry of Creation and the Beaters of Girona, the latter featuring more than 100 intricate miniatures. Just a few meters away stands the Basilica of St. Feliu, another of Girona's most representative buildings. This church, which served as the city's cathedral before the current one was built, is distinguished by its elegant combination of Romanesque and Gothic styles. Its slender bell tower has become one of the city's most recognizable symbols due to its impressive height. Inside, visitors will find early Christian sarcophagi and the tomb of Saint Feliu, the city's patron saint. The atmosphere within invites quiet reflection and a deep respect of the passage of time. Another fascinating sight in this beautiful city is the Arab baths of Girona. A space that transports visitors to another era. Despite the name suggesting an Islamic origin, they were actually built in a Romanesque style, inspired by Muslim bathhouses. This 12th century architectural complex preserves spaces such as the entrance hall, the cold room, the warm room, and the hot room, all arranged around a beautiful central chamber with columns and decorated capitals. The soft lighting and ancient stone create an immersive atmosphere, allowing visitors to imagine daily life in medieval Girona. The historic heart of the city beats strongest in Girona's Jewish quarter, one of the best preserved in Europe. This network of narrow, cobbled streets, steeped in history, was once the home of a thriving Jewish community during the Middle Ages. Walking through El Cal is like getting lost in a charming labyrinth where every corner tells stories. Its authenticity makes it an essential stop for those seeking to connect with Girona's past. The streets of the old town, Baribel, are captivating, but another of their great attractions is the city's bridges. A stroll along the Onyar River is a truly unique experience, especially when choosing one of its most iconic bridges, such as the one designed by Gustave Eiffel. Yes, the same one that built the Eiffel Tower. From these vantage points, you can admire the famous colorful houses reflected in the water, creating one of the most photographed scenes in the city. These vibrant, warm-tone facades showcase the city's ability to transform its urban landscape into a living work of art. Gastronomy is yet another of the city's great pleasures, and among its highlights, it's a very special sweet, the chucho, a delicious local pastry filled with various flavors and dusted with sugar. It's a true temptation for anyone with a sweet tooth. The city of Girona truly has it all. History, beauty, culture, and gastronomy, all within a welcoming and accessible setting. If you're looking for a destination that combines authenticity and charm, look no further. Girona awaits you with open arms, ready to offer an unforgettable experience. My name is Alex Moraras. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and definitely subscribe to find out more amazing places to visit before you come to Spain.